Meet the FlexiDesk Vertical Modular Organizer, the perfect solution for anyone looking to keep their workspace organized, stylish, and efficient. Let's go over its features and see how it all comes together. This design is a vertical version of the original FlexiDesk, crafted for deeper storage and easy access to all your desk essentials. It has 6 modular compartments in a compact vertical arrangement, perfect for users who want to maximize their workspace. The organizer has a flexible setup. It comes with 6 slots. There are 3 rows with 2 columns each. This design comes with, for accessories, a split lower tray, dual height tier for section pot and inclined shelf module. Each accessory fits snugly into any slot. You can customize the layout however you want, with options to snap accessories in for easy repositioning or secure them with a bit of glue for a permanent setup. All accessories have been designed following a similar pattern to give cohesive style. I suggest leaving the front slots open for easy access to frequently used items, placing the tallest accessories in the back for balance, and using the middle row for additional storage. Each module can be mixed and matched to create a setup that works best for you. Now let's start the fun part, filling up the FlexiDesk organizer. You'll see there's room for everything from office supplies to art tools. Everything has a place here, so you can keep your workspace tidy and inspiring. The FlexiDesk Vertical Modular Organizer is designed to bring style, functionality, and a touch of personal flair to your workspace. Print it in your favorite color for a look that matches your vibe, like this refreshing pastel blue. This organizer is ideal for anyone looking to add a functional, compact solution to their desk setup. Plus, I'm planning more accessories to expand the FlexiDesk family, so let me know what you'd like to see next. Download the model using the links in the description. Happy printing and happy organizing! If you like this video, it will be great if you can like, share, and subscribe to my FreeCardi 3D YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and happy printing!